How's it going? My name is Zach and I'm with TBR, and I've got behind me an NSX that we have been working on for the better part of 3 weeks, going on 4 weeks now. We overhauled the suspension. We've got Öhlin coilovers tucked in here. We rebuilt the calipers and powder coated them. As you can see, we've got the nice gloss black powder coating along with the silver overlay for the text itself. We're about to throw on some Ʇᴛʀᴇᴛ wheels, which is a JDM classic wheel that accents this car perfectly. And we're waiting on some valve stems for that, but they'll be going on here shortly. We replaced the exhaust with aftermarket Pride exhaust and long tube headers. It's fully stainless from the head all the way back to the tips. We've done all of the coolant hoses from back to front, including everything at the radiator, under the vehicle, as well as on the engine. We powder coated the valve covers. We cleaned up the throttle body, replaced all of the vacuum hoses. The intake is an aftermarket SCW Performance intake with a scoop that pulls from the side of the vehicle and rams air up into the underside of the intake. We're putting the finishing touches on this vehicle for the customer. We're excited to get it back to them, and we're looking forward to seeing it on the road.